In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles in Happy Scribe. This can be a game changer for making your content accessible and engaging for a wider audience. Let's dive in and make sure your message reaches everyone it needs to. First, we start right from your Happy Scribe dashboard. When you log in, you'll notice several options tailored to what you need. Spot the Create button and give it a click. From there, select Subtitles from the list of options. This step is straightforward yet crucial, as it leads you into the subtitle creation interface. The platform's design makes it clear and easy to follow, ensuring that even if it's your first time, you'll be navigating without a hitch. Now that you've opened up the subtitle creator, it's time to upload your video file. This is as simple as dragging and dropping or selecting the file from your computer. While waiting for the upload, take a moment to adjust the settings to best fit your needs. You have the option to change the speaker language if your video is in a language other than what's set as default. Additionally, you have the option to translate the subtitles, which is fantastic if you plan to reach an international audience. Another customization feature allows you to adjust the settings to your specific requirements and preferences. Whether it's font size, color, or style, make it fit your video's branding. You can also choose human-made subtitles if you're after the highest level of accuracy. Once you're satisfied with these settings, click on the Create Subtitles button to begin the processing. Now, a word of patience. After clicking Create, the system processes your subtitles, which can take a little time depending on the file's length and the complexity of the content. During this phase, the software diligently works on generating and aligning the subtitles accurately with your video. It's a perfect moment to grab a cup of coffee or review your video details to ensure everything else is in place. Remember, good things take time, and quality subtitles are definitely worth the wait. In conclusion, adding subtitles using Happy Scribe not only enhances accessibility, but also broadens the reach of your content. Following these steps, you'll have clear, precise subtitles that complement your video perfectly. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope these instructions make your subtitling process smooth and efficient. Feel free to explore all the features of Happy Scribe to tailor your projects to perfection. Until next time, happy subtitling!